Yo, what's going on, everybody? We back with another one. And today, we'll be doing something to the truck that it really needs. And that's going to be a bath. Because it is filthy. But we're going to be using a product that a company reached out to me and asked if I could do like a review on. It's a ceramic coating spray. But yeah. You really can't see the dirt on it. Oh, there you go. Now you can. Yeah, it's dirty. It's shiny though. But yeah, I'm gonna get me some suds and putting the pressure washer, spray it down, get it ready for the coating to go on. But I just wanted to give you all an idea. Well, actually, let me see if I can show you how dirty it actually is before I do all that. That way you can actually see how good it's gonna look with the, I mean, it's pretty filthy. And this stuff is supposed to last, I believe it said 6 months or 3 months. One of the two. I'll have to look at the description on the stuff once I get it out of the box. I just wanted to show y'all how dirty the truck is before I get started on cleaning it. And let me know what y'all think. I think I'm gonna take the running boards off. Cause this thing, them tires really don't throw up a lot of rocks, so I don't think I'm gonna have to worry about rock chips on this one as bad as the Gladiators. But yeah, let me show you what we got going on today. And I've never heard of this company, and they reached out to me. And let me show you what we got. Let me set the phone down. Did get me a little tripod for the phone, so now let me show you what we got going on. It's a Suma Performance. Oh, nice. Get some stickers. Let's go. Dang, you get a lot. Orange one, a black one, a white one, and one with the emblem. So this is what we got. It's a ceramic coat or ceramic spray. Let's see what it says. It says, wash and dry your car, spray Suma directly on your car, wipe to ensure Suma is applied evenly using a microfiber towel or sponge. Okay, here it goes. It says long-lasting results. It should last 30 to 60 days, even up to 6 months, depending on environmental and weather conditions. So, I mean, depending on where you live and how dirty your truck gets or car, whatever you're going to use it on, I mean, it can last up to 6 months. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, curing time within minutes. Your car is good to go after Suma is immediately applied. That's cool. And this stuff is like a fraction of the price of, you know, taking your vehicle in to get it ceramic coated. I think this here was like 27 bucks, I want to say. And they're also going to give me a discount code, a 10% off. So if anybody's interested in doing some shopping with them, I'm going to leave a link in the description with the code, just in case somebody wants to pick something up. Yeah, nice sprayer too, man. Pop that thing down. Nice, cool. Is there anything else in here? Nope, just some stickers. That's nice, man. You get more stickers with these people than you did with the Borla exhaust, and this was like 30 bucks, bro. And the Borla exhaust was 1,300 bucks. Yeah, I like that sticker though. That's kind of sweet. Got a lot of different options. Yeah, but it's quite a bit in here as well. That's cool. So it should be enough to do the truck twice, maybe, in one bottle. It don't say how much. You know, this is recommended, like I just said, it's a water-based, or what am I doing? It's a water-based nano sealant that is excellent. You can even apply to the windshield without making streaks and doesn't make wipers skip. Cool, so you can actually put this stuff on your windshield. That's cool. All right, let me show you what I'm gonna be using for the suds. Well, the soap, suds, same thing. And I just started using this stuff recently. Pretty good stuff. But yeah, this is what I've been using. I was using chemical guys. The what's it called? It's like a wax and a soap, which this one is too. So I mean, I think this one was a little bit cheaper, and it does just as good. So you know, why not? But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the pressure washer on hooked up, get the old soap in the dispensers, and get this thing sprayed down. And yeah, once we get all that taken care of, I'll be back.
Few moments later.
All right, we got it cleaned and dried pretty good. There's still a little bit of water, a little bit on the hood. I have to do that last, I guess. But for the most part, it's nice and shiny, nice and dry. A little bit of water there. But yeah, let me grab. Oh man, I forgot I bought new soap. I should have used this. Oh, dang. Forgot I bought my new soap, man. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a couple of fresh microfibers. The old Walmart specials. 10 for like, I think it's 10 for $5 or something like that. They didn't have a big pack. I used to get like a 30 pack of them for like $25, but they don't even sell them anymore, man. So I had to get a little 5 pack or 10 pack, which is still enough. So yeah, I'm gonna grab 2 of these. That way, if there's a little bit of water in some spots, I can use one to dry it up. But yeah, look at them fog lights, man. They're sexy. They are nice, man. They are nice. I just got to get rid of that orange and get those white. And if that was white and that was white, oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. But yeah, back to the video. I honestly might start on the old driver side. I think I'm going to start on this side. And start here, work my way down. And then I think I'm going to do the hood and the windshield last. But honestly, I mean, the truck's clean, man, before. But hopefully afterwards it's really gonna be popping. So once we get the old ceramic spray on there, I'll get back to the video. All right, we got it all cleaned up, ceramic coated, and honestly, it looks great. I had to leave the house because the sun went down too far and it wasn't gonna be able to get no sun on it to let you really get a good visual on how it looks in the sun. So let me go ahead and show you what we got. Let me get on the passenger side because that's more where the sun is. But yeah, let me show you what we got going on. That stuff looks phenomenal. That definitely works, man. That stuff looks so good. Look at that mirror, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. For $27, man, look at that, bro. Like, you can't beat it. I'm just hoping the dust don't stick to it like it used to. That's because I live down a gravel road, so, and it's already got a little bit of dust. Yeah, a little bit. Nothing crazy though, nothing crazy. I mean, it still worked, man. I did do the windshield as well, just to see how well that works. But yeah, man, it's look at that, man. That looks so good. Now I just need to get some 24s or 26s, some chromes and put on here and take them side steps off. Thing will be popping. Yeah, man, but I think it turned out great, man. For 20, like I said, $27, 26, whatever it is after, you know, they get the 10% discount. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. I know I'm gonna start ordering that stuff routinely. That way, every 3 months I can apply some because that looks great. That looks great. I mean, it's even in the shade, man. You can. It did a great job. Great job. And like I was saying, with this stuff, it's super cheap. You don't have to take it to a professional to do it. I mean, you can do it in your driveway like I did, basically. Fraction of the cost. And man, it looks better than it did from when I got it from the dealership, honestly, not gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Man, that color pops. Just gotta get rid of that ugly grill, man. I can't stand that gray. That color pops, man. That ceramic coated spray, man. It did it justice. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Because I think that's gonna be the go-to spray now. I used to use a lot of chemical guys, but I don't know. Chemical guys is about the same price, and honestly, this stuff did a little bit better, in my opinion. I know with the waterless car wash, that stuff's, you know, a lot of people use that, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I think this is gonna be the new spray to go to right here, if I'm being honest. But yeah, man, that looks good. Y'all can't say that don't look good, boy. That looks great. So yeah, I mean, all you gotta do, like I said, I mean, come in here, give it a nice, you know, spray it down with soap, give it a nice wax on, wax off, and then spray it off, clean it, dry it, and then get your little spray bottle and a couple. I use 2 microfibers, in which I really only needed 1, and I still have quite a bit of spray left. I didn't even use the full bottle, so I mean, there might be enough to do the truck again. I don't know exactly how much you're supposed to put on here, but you know, I was giving it a nice mist over each door panel. Yeah, I mean, there's still over half a bottle in here. So yeah, that might be enough to do the truck again. Who knows? I know I skipped this stuff down here. It's got some streaks on it. But yeah, once I get them rock lights, like I said, that's what I was talking about earlier at the beginning of the video. I ordered, what did we order? We ordered 16 rock lights. So we're gonna be doing 2 on each wheel well. 1 under this door, 1 under that door, same thing on the other side. 1 in the back, maybe, I don't know. I know on the Chevy I had a hard time figuring it out, and I actually didn't even put 1 in the back as a Chevy just because of the spare tire on where it's mounted. I think I'm gonna stop by AutoZone and give me another tag light, because I'm not messing with Last Fit, man. I might shoot them an email, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some from AutoZone just so I have a light bulb back there that's working. So yeah, 2 in each wheel well, 2 under each door, or 1 under each door, 1 up front. So what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. I might just do 14, honestly. It comes in packs of 4, and I didn't really get crazy expensive ones. I got the same ones I had on the Chevy, which are like $15 for 4. And honestly, in my opinion, they look better than the Oracle wheel lights. The Oracle wheel lights had that bluish tint with the rock lights, them cheap ones. Pure white, man, pure white. Never had an issue. Yeah, but that's gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of that ceramic coating spray, man. Because in my opinion, that stuff looks great. I don't know if it's just this color or if it's just my truck, but that stuff looks great. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like. Leave me a comment on what y'all want to see done to the truck next. And if you really enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button, because it'll really help me out. It will. It'll help me out a lot. I just not noticed that on that tire. It's got a snake head on it. Nice. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If y'all enjoyed, hit that like button. Peace.